Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez, and here I am showing you another card using the part of my story stamp set. And as you can see, it has really nice sentiments, and I love all the different fonts that you have. I love when we have stamp sets or sentiments that kind of coordinates different fonts. Don't you think they always look really great? So anyway, this is a great set. But now, this is you can get this for free when you purchase $50 with the Stampin' Up. So you can see it here. There's too many things going on right now where you can get free items for all these whenever you purchase with us. And now we have actually another release, so there's tons of stuff. Now if you want to get more information about this, you can go at my blog at creatingwithali.com, where you can download these ones and see what you get for free when you purchase $50 or $100. And there's no limits. But anyway, if you don't have this stamp set, because this is the last month to get free items. But anyway, if you're watching this and you cannot get this one, doesn't matter. The main thing of these videos, I wanted to show you how to create really quick and cute cards using sentiment stamp sets. So for this time, I'm going to be using this one, the one that says "The world needs more people like you." So the focal point, or the stamping part, is really easy because it's just that. But the focal thing, or the cute thing out of your card, is really the design series paper. So you go ahead and pick whichever design series paper that you have, and make sure you look at the colors on your paper. So in this case, I have Night of Navy and Call Me Clover. So I went ahead and put Call Me Clover a little piece here. So let me just go over measurements really quick. My card base is Night of Navy because that's the design, that's the color that I have my design series paper. So this one is 8.5 by 5.5, and I'm gonna go ahead and fold it in half. This is like I always do, so there's nothing here too tricky. But always use your bone folder. You always want to make sure you use your bone folder to have a really nice crisp fold on your card. So this one is gonna go here, and this one is 4 by 5 1/4. Again, make sure you see which card or which side of your paper pack is the one that you like. So in this case, I picked this one. And because I'm using Call Me Clover there, I decided to go with the design series paper that coordinates, and it's Call Me Clover. That way it kind of brings it, it gives him a pop, don't you think? So that's how I'm going to go with this. And in fact, I think I should go ahead and, yeah, I should go ahead and also, see, this one has two things. I honestly think I like the stripes. I think it goes better than the dots on this particular one. Although the dots look, yeah, that could also go really well. Let's just see. No, I think I like that one. So anyway, so you just pick whichever side you like the best. And let's just put it on your card. Now this one is 1 inch and is a bit larger than the 4 inches, and the reason is because sometimes hold on, let me see. Yeah, sometimes I'm not too good at cutting it exactly the same size. So even though it's 4, you could see you could go a little bit crooked, and then you're not covering everything. So I always try to do the strips a bit or a hair larger than what it is, and then cut it out as you saw me doing it here. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this one down, and I'm using Fast Fuse. I know it's no longer available with the Stampin' Up, but you can also use your snail, or you can also use the Tumble Liquid adhesive. So you have it right there. Now for the inside, because this is a really dark color, I tried to put a piece of Whisper White so that it is easier for me to write that inside those cards. Now if you don't want to do that, you can always use like a silver or gold pen or a white pen that will show up. And this piece, it's 5 by 3 3/4. Okay, so there we have it. So this is how it's looking. What do you think, huh? It's coming alive. So now for this section, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and bring Night of Navy. Again, I'm trying to coordinate everything with the color scheme that I have going on my design series paper. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp it in scrap of paper because I'm going to be punching it out. So this one says, "The world needs more people like you." I mean, wouldn't that be really nice to send to a friend? I think so. I really do. So I'm using my 2-inch punch, and actually no, I think it's too large. So let me bring like a 1 and something. Hold on. I'm gonna take the 1 1/4 and see. I'm sorry, 3/4 and see. Yeah, this looks much better. So let's just use that. I brought another one just in case, but yeah, this one will go perfectly. So this is 1 3. There we have it. This is 1 3/4. So it was not a 2-inch, and so we're gonna put it right there. Then I have here some scraps of paper. Okay, now this particular one, this suite with the Stampin' Up, comes with some of the punches. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this one because it goes really well with that as well as this one. Okay, but you can embellish with a sticker or something else. I'm just trying to use what I have, and but you always use whatever you have that kind of coordinates with. There you have it. That kind of coordinates with your design series paper. So there's always stickers, there's always punches, or some other type of embellishments, right? So this is what I love about Stampin' Up, that they have suites and they have products that coordinates really well with everything going on. So it makes it so easy to come up with designs. So anyway, so for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and take this little dot, and I'm putting it into a glue dot, and then I'm gonna take the this is called Take Your Pick, which is a really cool little tool. Oh, and let me just get here. There we have it. All right, and then, because of course this is Stampin' Up, they have coordinating dots. So this one's, I'm gonna go ahead and put this one here, right? And there you have it. So anyway, like I said, if you don't have these, you can use stickers. Like if you're using a design series paper or a different design series paper, just the stickers or whatever else you have that coordinates. Now for that one, I'm gonna go ahead and use, let me see if I have them here, mini dimensionals. I think it will be really cool to have. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little, oh, this one is too, oh. I'll put it right in the center. Yeah, so nothing shows, and it will go here. So now the other thing that I want to do is I'm going to use Call Me Clover ribbon. Again, this is what I love about Stampin' Up. The everything color coordinates, so definitely go crazy with it, right? So I'm using the Call Me Clover 1/8 cross grain ribbon. And I'm just doing a little zigzag here. Because again, all of these things will color coordinate really well. So here you have it. Oh yes, I think I like how it looks. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. Alright. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring some dimensionals. Give me just 1 second. Seems like every single time I'm filming a video, I'm always, and I'm gonna just put them like right there. And I'm using dimensionals. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this one right here. Then I'm gonna take this little guy out. And you can put as many of these. For this one, I'm just going to go ahead and do the one. For here you have it. So what do you think about the card? Let me just show you for a second here, a close up. This is how it looks. I love how it looks. And like I said, just pick the colors of your design series paper and then end up, you can color coordinate everything else you have, like the ribbon, the little punches, everything, right? So here's another one that I did using the same design series paper. It's the same concept, and in this case I used the pineapple punch because I wanted to highlight those little dots that were on the design series paper. This one is also, and this one I actually decorate the inside using some of the elements here. But you can see it here, this one also has the design series paper, the same sentiment, and then I went ahead and used the coordinating punch with the little dots. So there you have it. You can see they look very different, though it's almost the same. So go crazy at it. This one opens this way, so this one goes 11 by 4 1/4. And then it's also a half of a sheet, and then this one is 8.5 by 5.5. So I'm sorry, 8.5 by 5.5. Yes. So anyway, so let me know in the comments which ones you like. And if you have Facebook, go into my Facebook page at creatingwithali.com and send me pictures of how you are using your design series paper. I would love to see you creating some cards. Like I said, this is really easy. You just pick the design series paper, cut it out, and then color coordinate everything else. So anyway, thank you so much. I appreciate you all sticking out and see all the videos. And again, don't forget also to sign up for my email list where you get tutorials and other information about what's going on with myself and Stampin' Up. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.